Sermon number 71. In condemnation of the people of Iraq. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Now then, O people of Iraq, you are like the pregnant woman who, on completion of the period of pregnancy, delivers a dead child, and her husband is also dead, and her period of widowhood is long, while only remote relation inherits her. By Allah, I did not come to you of my own accord. I came to you by force of circumstances. I have come to know that you say Ali speaks lie. May Allah fight you. Against whom do I speak lie? Whether against Allah? But I am the first to have believed in him. Whether against his prophet? But I am the first who testified to him. Certainly not. By Allah, it was a way of expression which you failed to appreciate, and you were not capable of it. Woe to you! I am giving out these measures of nice expression free of any cost. I wish there were vessels good enough to hold them. Certainly, you will understand it after some time.